Hello, my foodie friends! Have you heard of the classic saying, seeing is believing? Now, I have no doubt why Healthy Chef has been certified by so many manufacturing standards, such as Thailand Trust Mark, HACCP, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, GMP, FDA, and Halal. You know, I just went to explore its huge factory and saw the whole processing with my own eyes. And let me share with you the secret of Healthy Chef manufacturing, and you will trust its high prevention of COVID-19. First, they start with the finest oilseeds: soybean, canola, sunflower, all derived from leading suppliers, and those raw materials are well kept against humidity and insects in order to maintain their quality. At Healthy Chef Factory, you can see many strict laboratory tests to ensure no contamination in every process. Then, those oil seeds will pass through extraction and refining processes. Wow! Sobrang galing! Every single process is of advanced manufacturing technology. You can be sure of its oil purification. Finally, when it comes to filling line process, you will witness the fully automatic technological line under strict quality control. Most importantly, along these processes, they have a unit called Quality Assurance, doing a final cross-check from beginning to the end of production, ensuring no cross-contamination, especially from COVID-19. So now you have a total peace of mind. You can enjoy cooking delicious healthy dishes for your household with your favorite cooking oil, such as soybean oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, and of course, it's all from Healthy Chef.